ladies and gentlemen. Tony Blackman here with Paramount Property Investments. Got a single family property on the north side of Akron, Ohio. This is called North Hill. It's a very attractive part of town. It's a strong rental area. This is a 3-bed, 1-bath. This one has already been through probate. So the executrix is actually handling the sale. Just waiting for my partners to get here. We've already put in an offer on this property that has been accepted. So we're under contract, but we're just coming out for a second time just to do some more due diligence. So if you or anybody you know in the North Hill section of Akron, Ohio, definitely give us a call, 330-685-2220, or just visit our website, www.investparamount.com. We are buying properties cash and as is condition. We don't charge any real estate commission fees, and we can close in 30 days or less. And or we will work around your schedule. So feel free to reach out. Talk to you later.